Welcome back to part 2 of Chef June's Filipino food journey. The man is still hungry.
Kare-kare is a Philippine stew complemented with a thick, savory peanut sauce. It is made from a variation base of stewed oxtail, pork hocks, calf's feet, pig feet, and occasionally offal or tripe. Beef caldereta is a popular Filipino dish that is served during parties and holidays. It traditionally uses goat meat as the main ingredients, but beef, chicken, or pork may be used instead. Pancit bihon in the Filipino cuisine. Pancit means noodles, and bihon is rice sticks. Pancit bihon is a classic dish in the Philippines, normally eaten with a slice of bread, not with rice. Bicol means sinilihan or chili, a Filipino dish which was popularized in the district of Latte, Manila, but made in traditional Bicolano style. The outcome of this dish can be described as pork cooked in coconut milk with shrimp paste and chilies. This is so spicy. Arroscado is a popular Filipino congee. This chicken arroscado version makes use of glutinous rice or malakit in Tagalog. The name arroscado was Spanish in origin, but the dish itself originates from the Chinese. We call it chicken and rice stew. Lomi is a type of Filipino chicken noodle soup. Compared to traditional chicken soup, the broth for this particular soup version is thicker. Pancit lomi is a hearty soup made with noodles, chicken, liver, eggs, and vegetables. Bulalo is a beef dish from the Philippines. It is a light-colored soup that is made by cooking beef chunks and bone marrow. Bulalo is a native to the southern Luzon region of the Philippines. Balot! Balot is a famous street food in the Philippines. Balot is a developing bird embryo that is boiled and eaten from the shell. Not everyone can eat balot. We consider this an exotic food. Kwek-kwek or tokneneng. A popular variation of tokneneng is kwek-kwek. The main difference the two lies in the egg that is used. Kwek-kwek traditionally made with quail eggs, while tokneneng is made with chicken egg. Filipino pork barbecue is a street food made of pork slices marinated in a sweet barbecue sauce and skewered in bamboo sticks. Sweet, salty, and slightly spicy. These Filipino-style kebab are seriously addicting. Lechon kawali is a popular Filipino dish made with pork belly, simmered until tender and then deep fried until golden and crispy. A very tasty Filipino dish with flavors of garlic and bay leaves. This is all-time favorite. Chicken afritada is a Filipino stew. Mechado, caldereta, and afritada are Spanish-influenced tomato sauce-based dishes that are somewhat similar to one another. In these dishes, chicken is cooked in tomato sauce. Lapas bachoy is a soup dish composed of sliced pork organs, and Mickey noodles. This dish originated from the district of La Paz in Iloilo City, in the island of Panay. This soup is so delicious. In Filipino cuisine, pancit are noodles. Pancit palabok is a type of Filipino dish that makes use of cornstarch sticks, which is also known as palabok noodles. It has an orange sauce composed of minced pork, tinapa flakes, or smoked fish flakes, and anato water. Papaitan is a famous Ilocano soup dish, mostly composed of cow or goat innards. The name of the dish was derived from the Filipino word pait, which means bitter. The bitter taste of this soup comes from the bile. Pinakbet is an indigenous Filipino dish from the northern regions of the Philippines. Pinakbet is made from mixed vegetables steamed in fish or shrimp sauce. Pork menudo is a Filipino-style stew made with diced pork, liver, carrots, potatoes, bell peppers, raisins, and tomatoes. This type of dish usually served at special occasions like fiestas and holiday season. Adobong atay ng manok or chicken liver in Tagalog. Consider this an exotic food or weird, but this is such a delicious recipe that probably most Filipinos love. Extra rice, please! Giniling means to mince or to chop. Giniling na baka or minced beef is stewed in tomato sauce and water to bring out the taste. The good thing to this dish is done with lesser effort and time. This is one of my favorite. Taho is a Philippine snack food made of fresh soft silken tofu, arnibal, and sago. This staple comfort food is a signature sweet. Taho peddlers can be found all over the country, and you can find this taho in China, Japan, Thailand, and Vietnam.
If you enjoyed that from Chef Jun, continue to watch him on his food journey. This time, he's checking out street food.